In today's class, I will explain the problem. Show that root 2 is irrational. To show that root 2 is irrational, we will take in reverse root 2 is rational. Root 2 is rational means the numbers which can be expressed in the form of p by q are called rational numbers. Therefore, consider this as r by s. To understand the problem in better, consider a fraction 2 by 4 as r by s. There is common factor for these two. After cancellation, 2 1 times, 2 times, it will be p by q. For 1 and 2, this is 1 by 2, 1 and 2 have no common factors. Therefore, it is in the least form. Consider that as p by q. So, root 2 is equal to p by q. First we will take root 2 as r by s, in which there are common factors for r and s. Therefore, we cancel it and we will get in the least form. In the least form, they have no common factors, that consider as p by q. Now cross multiply it. Root 2 into q is equal to p. Squaring on both sides, SOPs. Squaring on both sides, root 2 q whole square is equal to p square. This square belongs to whole square, therefore this square belongs to both the terms. Root 2 whole square, root square get cancelled, 2 q square is equal to p square. P square is equal to 2q square. See this example. 4, 6, 8 can be expressed as the product of 2 into 2. This is 2 into 3. This is 2 into 4. All the numbers which are divisible by 2 are having 2. If a number can be expressed as 2 into something or divisible by 2. Therefore, p square is equal to 2q square means 2 into something. Therefore, p square is divisible by 2. If p square is divisible by 2, p also divisible by 2. P also divisible by 2. Consider this as first result. Next one. If p is divisible by 2 means p is equal to, you can write some 2 into some c. 2 into something. P is divisible by 2, therefore p is equal to 2 into something. Substitute this value, p is equal to 2c. P is equal to 2c. Consider this as 3 or 2 or something. This should be substituted in the result of this one, that is p square is equal to 2q square. What is p? 2c. 2c. P square that is 2c whole square is equal to 2q square. 2 q square. 2 square is 4, c square is equal to 2q square. 2 times get cancelled. q square is equal to 2c square. Q square can be expressed as 2 into something. 2 into something, therefore q square is divisible by 2. If q square is divisible by 2, q also divisible by 2. That is the second result. From first and second result, we can conclude that p and q have common factor 2. That is against our assumption. As our assumption is wrong. What we assumed, root 2 is rational. P and Q are co-prime to each other, but here P and Q have another one common factor 2. Therefore, our assumption wrong, that is root 2 is rational. We can conclude root 2 is irrational. This is a very important problem for 4 marks. So, practice well, and if they asked by changing this one, in place of root 2, they can ask root 3 is irrational, root 5 is irrational, root 6 is irrational, or any. For all these problems, simply those who are weak at mathematics, they simply practice this complete problem and replace 2 by 3. If they asked, show that root 3 is irrational, in the wherever you find 2, write 3, here also 3, here also 3, replace and practice. You will get command over this problem. If you like this, subscribe. Thank you.